is for apple. Take a bite, yum. B is for ball. Bounce it up and down. C is for cat. Meow, meow, meow. D is for dog. Woof, woof now. E is for egg. Crack it and fry. F is for fish. Swim, swim, swim by. G is for goat. Jump up so high. H is for horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. I is for ice. Cold and nice. J is for jet. Fly in the sky. K is for kite. Soar up high. L is for lion. Roar, roar, oh my. M is for monkey. Swing from the tree. N is for nest. Cuddle quietly. O is for octopus. Wiggly and sweet. P is for pig. Oink, oink, stomp your feet. Q is for queen. Wave and bow. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop now. S is for sun. Shining bright. T is for turtle. Slow and light. U is for umbrella. Hold it overhead. V is for violin. Play it in bed. W is for whale. Splash your tail. X is for xylophone. Tap without fail. Y is for yogurt. Cool and yummy. Z is for zebra. Stripey and funny. Yay! You did it! You sang the whole ABC song with me. Let's clap for you. Clap, clap, clap. You are a superstar. See you next time.
Thank you for learning with me, my friends.